meeting, you can click on the closed captioning button at the bottom of your screen there, and you can follow along if you really want to read everything that I'm already saying to you, or if you that's totally up to you. And if you need it, great. There it is. It's for you to use. All right, we're recording. Quick shout out for day 2 winner. Callista Dawson was our winner from Slack training yesterday, and now we are broaching on day 3. And today I want to focus on ways to use Slack that don't involve typing. And I want to highlight some pretty handy features that are a part of Slack for ways you can communicate, and some of the powerful tools that are a part of that. So we're going to dive right in, and I'm going to jump into the demo test channel here that I believe, did I add anybody? Nope, nobody's added to this. So I need to let me add somebody here real quick. We're going to I'll add Madison because I saw her just a second ago. So go to members and add her to this channel. Add, there we go. And boom. Okay, so one of the coolest things that Slack brings is an ability to immediately do a phone-only type interaction called a huddle. Some of you may have seen this because it pops up and gives you notifications. Some of you may have been like, what the heck is a huddle? I don't want to touch that with a 10-foot pole. I'm going to highlight this right now. I'm going to try calling Madison. It's not going to do much on your end. You're not going to actually see it. But all I have to do when I have somebody that's in a channel. Now this will work for a one-on-one. So if I was actually messaging Tara directly, I can create a huddle. You'll see that the name down here in the bottom left changes for who I'm talking to. But within a channel, you can have multiple members and call a real quick meeting with everybody to the click of a button just by bringing them in here. So in demo test here, if I click it says EL demo test, that means it's going to do everybody in the channel. Click that button, and what it does, it will ask you to use your microphone. You need to allow that.
Mike, I don't know if your screen is frozen or actually I think it just caught up. Yeah, it's been I don't think it's been doing what you've been doing.
That's so annoying. It's been doing this the last several trainings, but that's okay. I'll need to boost my internet before I do the next one. All right, let's try this again. I'm going to hang that up. So you'll notice, can you see in the bottom left here, it says EL demo student, and there's this little huddle button. When you click that, it may come up with this little pop-up that says allow, slack.com wants to use your microphone. Always say allow. And that gives it permission, your computer permission to do that. So I can choose that now. And I can't hear you guys probably because it's now made Slack the primary channel. But what's going to happen is it's going to ring Madison, and then Madison will be able to talk with me non-visually, no cameras being used in this moment, to join the huddle. If she was to join, I can also, once I'm in, I can choose to mute my microphone, but I can also share my screen. So if you needed to do a quick screen share, I'm going to mess up my computer if I even try this. But there's a screen too here, so you can actually choose a screen. So if I wanted to walk through something, Ryan and I use this all the time. Hey Ryan, I want to check something out. Look at this. Do this. He'll click on the huddle, or he'll call me on the huddle, and then I'll say, hey, can you share your screen? He shares the screen. You can even bring other people into the huddle outside of the channel. But this, it's muted me now because Madison didn't respond, thankfully. She's probably trying to listen to me through here. And then it plays a little music for you to let you know you're the only one in the huddle and you're still broadcasting even if nobody's there. But you can create a real quick discussion around something. If you're working on a problem and you have the opportunity, you can huddle somebody in, make it do a real quick audio call, share your screen or have them share their screen, and show off and touch base with whatever's happening there. The other two options, which are also very cool, is you can record a video clip or an audio clip using these buttons down in here. So I can just click this right here, and it'll say, it'll ask me to use my camera. So I've already allowed it for my microphone. Some of you, if you try this right off the bat, and you haven't allowed your microphone yet, it will ask for both. So you just click allow, and now you can see I've got this little pop-up here. Now I can record, I can blur my background, which is nice, so you don't have to see all the stuff on my shelf. And there's some small settings like which camera, which microphone you're going to use, and you can change those things. But then I can record a short message. I can share my screen as well, or I can upload a video to share with my team and do a real quick talk about something, and hey, point out these things that we're seeing on this chart or in this document, and then finish recording, and it'll actually post that to the channel for other people to read when they have the chance. Sometimes, in our asynchronous world, we need to be able to do that. The other cool thing, which I will try right here, is you can click that record option.
You're frozen. It's frozen again, Mike. Screen share is frozen.
Okay. Can you see my mouse moving?
Nope.
No.
Not yet.
All right, let me try again. Thank you for the... I'm going to kick everyone off the internet before I do this tomorrow. Okay, let's try this again. All right. So the audio, this audio button down here, can you all see this? When I click this button, it begins recording my voice. So I can give a verbal hello to my team, a good morning message. I can use this to talk about something that's happening, or I can add an image and then talk about the image, or a chart from something, you're dealing with a low number of responses on something, and you've got a great chart that you made of that. You can share that with your team in an image, and then you can talk about it and click check when you're done, and it will actually upload that audio, and it will be listenable in the channel. So just some real quick and easy ways to begin to engage with your channels in a little bit different way. It doesn't require you having to type. You can just click on those buttons and you can talk, you can share, you can give encouraging announcements. I heard from somebody, I think it was yesterday, who said that he pulled out his guitar and sang a worship song and then sent it to his whole team so they could all listen to that together and just have a moment. It was kind of cool. That's a neat experience. But even good morning, if you're a manager or you have teammates, a quick good morning. Hope you guys are doing well. Here's my thought for the day. Share, an encouraging message. Let people see your face, your bedhead, whatever would encourage your team for that morning is super awesome. And it just becomes a really handy way. So huddles, in the bottom left will bring people in to, you can have a conversation, live conversation, and share your screen, or you can record a video, upload a video, or add audio to a Slack channel at any time. So today's challenge, I'm going to post in the Slack training channel. Everyone's excited to hear Whitney's. It's all popping up on my screen. Today's challenge is to do an audio or video response to reply in thread. Now, if you don't know how to reply in thread, you'll have to watch yesterday's video. But we're going to combine those today. You're going to reply in thread in the Slack training channel. I'm going to post it in just a few minutes here, and you're going to go and you're going to share an audio or video response to a question that I'm going to ask in there. And don't worry, you don't have to, we're not asking you to recite the Gettysburg Address or anything that would require you to Google or know it from memory. I would imagine most of us would Google that. But anyways, that's going to be today's challenge. And tomorrow morning, we'll pick all the people who posted a response, and we will make that happen. So any questions on any of those things that I so quickly shared about?
I have a comment.
What's your comment, Ryan?
On the accessibility side of things, those video and audio recordings, when you post them, they do transcribe. And so you can either watch with captions for the video, or you can read the transcription afterwards. And also, if you're using a huddle, it does do live captioning as well.
Woo-hoo.
And can I ask a quick question on it? I'm assuming like you can share it in yours, but can you record those maybe in your own Slack channel and like download or share them, send another channel later on? So if it's something that you somewhat regularly need, like on a session by session basis, update, and you store those somewhere, it'll let you do that too. Like
I believe.
Like
can
send
upload
from
That's a
one
good
channel
question.
to another channel?
So let's just
Okay.
see something here. I just created this file right here, and then I can add it. I'm going to add it to my saved items. I'm going to see if I can recall an old file and post it somewhere. So I got this junk email thing I'm playing with here, and I'm going to go to my recent files. I have my recent files here, this audio clip.
Were you going to show us that?
Oh, well, yeah, stop sharing my screen. Thank you, Ryan. Please
No
stop
problem.
me sooner if I'm doing things. Okay.
Well,
So
I was
I'm
a
gonna start
little
over.
unsure if that's what was going on. So
Yeah. Okay. So I went to a different channel. I saved the one that I was doing in the demo test here. So I've got this file that I created here. And then all I'm doing now is I finished it. I like it. I want to share it out in this channel here. I can click right here and I can choose recent files. And I've got that audio clip right here, and I can just paste it right in and post it in a whole nother channel. So that's kind of handy. And you might even be able to browse your.
I see, Mike, if you click on the audio file
Mm-hmm.
on the three dots,
Oh,
does it
copy
also
link.
say, okay. Okay, sorry, I just was playing around
copy
as I
link,
was talking to you.
copy link to audio clip and share the clip. So I can even share this clip in another channel. So if I want to share it back to the same
That's
channel,
handy.
then I'll hit it back there. And now that you should appear up in here. Oh, it's already, there's a copy of it there. So that's a really nifty new
Great,
tip. So
thanks.
a little extra for you guys today. Any other questions? And that should work the same for the video too. The way Slack works with files is really handy like that. So
Mike, are we going to talk about scheduled messages in the future?
oh, I'll add that to the list. Thank you. That's a really
Okay.
handy.
Because
That's a
you can
really handy
schedule,
tip.
you can record these ahead of time and schedule them. So we won't give away how you do it, but it's possible.
Dun, dun,
Yes.
dun.
If you want to know now, just
we'll share
search
that
on
in the
Slack
future.
help.
Teaser clip.
Yeah. All right. Thank you guys. Appreciate you and have a great day. And we'll see you in the Slack 10 days of training channel. Talk to you later. Bye.